Hi everyone, today I am reviewing the Sigma 16 by 28 millimeter f2.8 DGDN. This is by Sigma, the company that makes the lens. It's made in Japan, very nice quality, very nice into the hands. I'm gonna go over, show you guys how it looks like, and also how it's gonna show in terms of the camera footage. This is going to be a great camera in terms of if you want something a bit more wider, in terms of something where if you're blogging or creating content, this is the lens to get. So here we go. So you can see right here, this is placed on the Panasonic Lumix camera. And this is specifically for the Sigma one, the DGDN. I will leave a link down below, but this is for the L mount. And what that means is the L mount is specifically for this Panasonic camera. So I'll leave a link down below for this, but keep in mind that Sigma does make this exact same lens for Sony and a variety of other cameras out there. So let's go ahead and show what it looks like in the camera. All right, so we got the lens on there. This is basically 16 millimeters. Right onto that, looks like a mattress. Let's go ahead and zoom in here, just see how you guys can be able to see it real quick. And very good quality in terms of the lens. It's not much distortion. Very easy in terms of the autofocus and whatnot. Overall, the quality of the lens is very, very good. So, in my opinion, you can be able to utilize this for not only photos but also video. So it's a very good lens, but keep in mind this is how wide it can get. Let me go ahead and show you right here. So it is pretty wide. Let's go ahead and zoom in here, and this is the max in terms of the zoom right there. So let's go ahead and zoom out here to see if I can be able to show both. Let's go ahead and do that again. So you can see right there, 16 millimeters, zoomed out. So it provides a pretty good ability to zoom out and whatnot. So overall, very nice lens. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Again, I'll leave a link down in the description if you're interested to purchase this lens. You can buy it off Amazon, or there's other variety of resellers out there. So if that's it, thanks for watching. Check you guys out in the next video.